'Cause now I'm hearing voices, too.
What kind of voices?
Just one voice. But that's what that means, doesn't it?
How long has this been going on?
For months.
Why didn't you tell me this before? What does this voice say to you?
She tells me to do things.
A woman's voice. Can you recognize it in any way?
No, sir. It sounds familiar sometimes, but I don't really recognize it.
What does this voice tell you to do?
To do things like leave Ralph, take Bonnie and run away. All kind of terrible things like that. That is what it means, isn't it?
No, not in your case.
But that's what everybody says.
And in most cases, they'd be right. It's a serious manifestation, the hearing of voices. But the difference in your case is this. You've been frightened by this voice because you recognize it as a symptom of illness. People who are actually losing their minds rarely find anything extraordinary about the hearing of voices. They almost invariably assume it's some sort of extra privilege that they enjoy, like personal radio reception or built-in radar.
Yeah, but what if sometimes it sounds like my own voice?
Your own voice? Wouldn't make any difference.
Yes, it does. You just don't want to tell me, but it does.
Mrs. White?
Hey.
Feeling better now?
I feel fine.
What was it, a headache?
No. I didn't have no headache. She had one, but I didn't.
She?
Hey, you got a nice place around here. Oh, she always gets those headaches when I want to come out. I think she's a real dope, don't you?
Who are you talking about?
Eve White. It's these hose. They're nylon. I'm allergic to nylon. I think I'll take them off. You don't mind, do you?
If you like.
I think you better turn around, though. You're kind of cute, but I don't think I know you that well.